Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a loose battery terminal. This is the tools you're going to need. You're going to need your specific size to take off that bolt on your terminal. You don't necessarily need this, but this is to clean up the battery terminal, any corrosion off of it. I made it a circle, it's really a stick, but that's the tools I had available. And you need one of these battery post shims, and maybe some dielectric grease that prevents corrosion on those terminals. Okay, so let me show you guys. Here's the loose battery terminal. As you can see, it's really loose, and I've got it as tight as it can go, but it's just too loose. So what we're gonna do is disconnect this right here. We're gonna disconnect this, loosen it up, maybe with some pliers or 2 screwdrivers, and then put the post shim there. That way it can get tight. Also make sure your key's off the ignition, just a safety precaution. All right guys, so like I said, the first thing we're gonna do is loosen this up, this little bolt here. Okay, so we got it off of there. The reason why you want to fix this as quick as possible is because it can make your car turn off. That's what it did on me today. I was driving right here down the apartment road, and it turned off on me. All I had to do was mess with the cable and turn back on, but that's a major inconvenience. So you don't want to put the bolt back on, that way I don't lose it. Okay, and then we have to find a way to spread these apart here. Get some flathead screwdriver so we can spread it apart. Anyways, let me show you first what you do with this little tool here. With this little tool here, you're gonna just, put it around there. Just, sort of scrub it a little bit, get all that nasty gunk off of there. That way we can get a good connection, and then maybe straighten this out. Straighten it out and put it through this thingy. But this terminal is pretty corroded. I guess I might get a new one in the future, but for now I'm looking for an easy fix. Having this loose can also make different lights come up, but it can cause different electricity problems. Like my ABS was on and other stuff, so just make sure. All right, I think that's pretty clean enough. Let's try to see. First of all, we're gonna see if this fits without even opening it up. It might, fit without making it bigger. We'll just have, you guys could see. There it goes. I'm putting it on. All right, and now we're gonna try to fit this over it. See if it'll work. Let's see. And wow, mine actually fit, guys, without even messing with it, strangely enough. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just put some dielectric grease on there, and we'll see if it tightens up or not. Here's the dielectric grease here. It says protects electrical connectors from corrosion, prevents spark plug and boot damage. We're gonna use it on the battery terminals. You only need a little bit. See, here we go. You only need a little bit. Just making sure it's still recording. A little bit on your finger and start putting it over the battery terminal post, just like that. All right. And maybe right here. I'm gonna also put it on the inside of the one that got stuck. That way that's protected, There we go. And on the top. All right, now the moment of truth. We're gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it on here and hope that it stays. Let's find out if this did the trick or not. Tighten it by hand first. Thing is tripping. There we go. Now that it's tightening up, we're gonna we're gonna do it with this. Hopefully it'll tighten up. You'll know you got it tighten enough if it doesn't spin when you try to mess with it. As you saw in the beginning of the video, this thing was spinning a lot. So let's see if we actually got it. Let's see. Yep. Check that out, guys. It ain't spinning. See that? That's how easy it is. Just a little battery post shim will get the job done. No movement. All right, guys. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed that video, like, comment, subscribe. Here's the proof again. Let me show you the proof. It ain't spinning now. See that? That battery shim did the trick. All right. Now all you had to do was tighten it back up and you're good to go. Let's go try to turn it on and see if it turns on quickly or not. Let's see. All right. And there it is. See that? There's no kind of lights, no ABS, no strange lights, just the door ajar light and the seatbelt light. All right. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.